In this video, we'll be talking about the definition, causes, effects, and treatment of sickle cell disease. Sickle cell disease is an inherited blood disorder that causes sickle-shaped red blood cells. They were called sickle because these red blood cells look like sickles, a harvesting ant tool. These sickle cells can stick together, blocking blood flow and oxygen from reaching all parts of the body. In order to understand the underlying cause of this disease, let's talk about the blood. Our blood is made up of liquid, that is the plasma, and solids, the white blood cells, also known as leukocytes, which fight infections, red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes, which is the common type of blood cells and they help in delivering oxygen to the body tissues. And lastly, platelets, which play a major role in blood clotting. The red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a protein that allows the red blood cells to carry oxygen to all parts of the body. The hemoglobin is a tetrameric protein, that is, it is made up of 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains. A normal and healthy hemoglobin is hemoglobin A. Being a protein, this 3D structural conformation of hemoglobin provides and maintains its functional characteristics. This 3D structure is in turn dependent on the primary structure, that is the linear sequence of this protein, hemoglobin. Any difference, be it substitutional or alternation in the primary structure, will produce a hemoglobin which cannot serve its functions. So, when the 6th amino acid in the beta chains of hemoglobin, glutamate, an hydrophilic water-loving amino acid, is replaced with valine, hydrophobic, that is water-eating amino acid, sickle cell arises, HBS. This change causes the red blood cell, a biconcave disc-shaped cell, to be replaced with a sickle-shaped cell. This sickle-shaped cell has a very short lifespan compared to a healthy red blood cell. A healthy red blood cell lives about 120 days, while a sickle cell lives for about 10 to 20 days. This leads to shortage of red blood cells in people with sickle cell, causing anemia. The sickle shape of sickle cells prevents the blood cells from being able to move freely around the body, thereby preventing oxygen from reaching the body tissues. This causes episodes of severe pain called sickle cell crisis.